Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a web browser or internet browser on your Google TV. This is very easy to do. All you have to do is go to apps right here and go on down to the app category for tools. And I use the browser app. This is probably the best one to use. I can just open this up and then you can save URLs on the top to your bookmarks and stuff on the left. So you can see if I have any bookmarks. Doesn't look like I have any here. My history, my downloads, then all my different settings on here as well. So you can just go to a website and save it to the bookmark. So let's just go to the Google Play Store through this app right here. And then we can download stuff to our device through here. So if we can't find it anywhere else, we could try going to the Google Play Store right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.